Hey there. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to convert your Webflow site into a WordPress theme. This is useful if you've designed in Webflow but need the CMS capabilities of WordPress. So let's get started. First, you need to complete your website design in Webflow. And once you're done with that, you need to export the code. So all you have to do is go here to the top right corner where you see export code here, this tag, and click on it. And there you go. So in order to export this code, you have to have a paid Webflow account. Nevertheless, you can download the zip file containing your code that you need to export, but you can only do that with a paid Webflow account. So if you have a paid Webflow account, then you can go ahead and download the zip file containing your HTML, CSS, JS, and your assets files. All right, so next you'll need a tool like Pinegrew or Udelsly to convert the static HTML files into a WordPress theme. Now for this tutorial, we'll use Udelsly. So go to udelsly.com and download their adapter and follow their documentation to install it. Once configured, export the theme and install it on your WordPress site by uploading it through the WordPress dashboard under Appearance and then Themes. Activate the theme and your Webflow design should now be a functioning WordPress theme. And that's how you convert a Webflow site to WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Check the description for links to the tools mentioned.